That black SLAMborghini by the HackPGH team. Eli is walking behind it with the red stop button in case it decides to interpret a wall as a straightaway. Right now it is driving entirely by itself, that car. The technology that you see Google and other major manufacturers working on to make autonomous vehicles, this is a very pared down version of that, but it is working for significantly less. Give you an idea of the level of possible accessibility in coming years for young developers and young innovators to build their own autonomous car. In this case, in the form of a nice, safe, Power Wheels format. Now, it's very easy to do this indoors. But what's very impressive about this Lamborghini right now is that different light conditions, dealing with shadow and light, and before your eyes, you see it right here, completely mapped. This is a fully autonomous car operating. Before you enter the track, it's avoiding its own operator.